Hi everyone, I am making this video to help you get the full credit for the upcoming exam free response questions. So I will go over one of these free response questions, and I really hope that you will pay attention to what I say right here, because I want to make sure you understand what is required of you when you fill in blanks like in this question. Here we go. So make sure you read the question carefully, and then make sure you will fill in these boxes carefully. Here is the question. Suppose you want to know what high school incoming freshmen at a particular college came from. So this is the purpose of your study. To estimate the percentage, this is what you want to estimate, of incoming freshmen who came from Barrington High School, you take a sample of 200 incoming college freshmen. So make sure you read the question more than once if you need to. Make sure you understand what you are looking for and think of how the study should be designed. And then you will be able to identify the individual, the variable, sample, population, statistic, and parameter. Well, actually, all of these are in here, hidden somewhere in here. And I'll show you maybe a shortcut or how you can just actually copy and paste, but making sure that you are answering these questions. So the first question is, what is an individual? So you are looking for an individual of this study. And since the study is about finding the percentage of incoming freshmen at a particular college, right, and you're looking for the percentage that came from a specific school, your individual will be an incoming freshman at a particular college. So you're looking for incoming freshmen, and I will be more specific. So I will click on this, highlight, Control C or right click, and I will copy it in here, Control V. I will actually adjust it in here. I'll say one incoming freshman at a particular college. Okay, so I just copied one and incoming freshman of a particular college. Okay, the variable, what is the variable? So think of what will you ask these incoming freshmen if you were to do the study? Because you want to find the percentage of those that came from Barrington High School, you will simply ask, did you come from Barrington High School? Right? And the answer will vary. Some will say yes, some will say no. So your variable is actually whether they came from, and you can simply copy, actually, I'll copy here. Barrington High School. Whether or not, you can put or not, they came okay? So this is what you will do if you want to figure out the percentage, okay? Now, what is a sample? We say right there, you take a sample of 200, it's right here, 200 incoming college freshmen. Control C, Control V. And I'll be more specific. I can be more specific. This happens at a particular college. I add that in. Now, what is the population? As you know, for the population, you simply copy this, Control C, and then change the 200 to all. So you'll just simply say all incoming college freshmen at a particular college. Now, the statistic is the measure. What are you measuring? And the measure is right here. Okay, but because it's a statistic, it will apply to the sample. So is the percentage of the 200 incoming college freshmen who came from Barrington High School. Okay, so I will copy this and then I will make sure I put in the 200 because I want to show that this is a statistic. So you want to make sure you will just put in the 200. So let me just adjust it, percentage of, and I want to be specific right here, the 200 incoming freshmen, and you can add the specific college, at the particular college if you want to. I would not do that at this point. It's the percentage of the 200 incoming freshmen who came from Barrington High School. That will be a statistic. That's the percentage. Now, if your problem asks for the mean, you'll just start with the mean. I've seen students writing down the percentage right here under the variable. That is not what you need to put in here. So be careful, okay, with this problem. Try to avoid those type of common mistakes. And now for the parameter, I'll simply copy this, and then I will change just one thing. The 200 with all, and that will make it the percentage of all incoming freshmen who came from Barrington High School. And you can add, to be more specific, from at a particular college. If you want to do at a particular college, you can put that just to make sure you are correct. Now, if you don't put that in, it's not a big deal, but you want to make sure you specify this right here in the sample, in the population, and then I will know that that's what you meant. So I will not really care too much if you put this in, but this is the correct way you should analyze and you should answer this type of questions. Okay, I hope this makes sense. I hope you will be watching this video. This can only help you with doing this type of problems. And there are a couple of problems like this in all exams that you'll be taking. Actually, you'll have to pay special attention because each one of those are worth 2 points. And you can see that there are many points going into this problem. Okay, so I wish you good luck and I hope that this helped. And I'll see you again sometimes soon. Have a good rest of the day.